Bose Wave Radio Common Problems. It's frustrating when your Bose Wave radio doesn't work as expected. Common problems can hinder your listening experience. Let's dive into some of these issues and how you can fix them. Power issues. Power problems are a frequent concern. If your Bose Wave radio doesn't turn on, check the power cord first. Ensure it's securely plugged into both the radio and the outlet. Sometimes a faulty outlet can be the culprit. Test the outlet with another device to see if it's working. If the outlet is fine, inspect the power cord for any visible damage. You might also need to reset your radio. Unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in. This simple step can often resolve power issues. Sound quality problems. Sound quality issues can spoil your music experience. If the sound is distorted, start by adjusting the volume. High volume levels can cause distortion. Check the speakers for any obstructions. Dust and debris can affect sound quality. Clean the speaker grills gently with a soft cloth. If the sound is still not clear, consider the source. Try playing music from different devices to rule out the possibility of a bad audio source. This way, you can identify if the problem is with the radio or the source. Have you ever faced these issues? Share your experiences and solutions in the comments below. Your tips might help others facing the same problems. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe.